Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find the front power outlet fuse, which fuse you need to check for that, actually two fuses in two different fuse boxes you will need to check. Where you can buy them, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So now, guys, front power outlet fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation here, Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. It should work for both. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that generation SUV, but we work today in just 2. The first one, you need to open the passenger door. Once you do that, if you look under the glove box, under the dash, look upside down, you will find one soft carpet liner. Attaches with 2 black turning knobs. Unscrew them, remove it, and you will find behind it the interior fuse box that looks like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the front power outlet fuse, we have one fuse here, then we have another fuse box that we need to check, and one more fuse. Next to each fuse we have a fuse number that indicates that fuse, and that's in the top right corner. For instance, the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 61, and the number is right here in the corner. Fuse number 61 will need to be checked. Next, open the hood on your Ford Escape. Facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover. Remove it, that's the main engine fuse box. And here we can zoom in a little bit, that's the front of the SUV, and that's the windshield here. That 20 amp fuse is the one that you need to check. This is known as fuse number 15, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.